Release the Kraken.
Oh, they need to let it go. They go to Junmar Fajardo. Junmar pulls up for three. Junmar Fajardo gets the biggest three of the day. Junmar Fajardo. Wow.
And that was challenged by Chris Newsom. But Fajardo showing why he is the best player of the conference, why he is a 7-time MVP.
What a shot. One of the biggest shots he's hit in his career. Lutz. Contra kay Simon, attacking the baseline. Oh! The Kraken almost taking down the rim here at the Big Dome. What a follow-up jam for Fajardo.
And CJ to Junmar for the win!
Oh!
Wow! Like so many times in his illustrious career, Junmar Fajardo comes in and saves the day for the San Miguel Beermen. Junmar Fajardo wins it at the buzzer.
Ilang minuto na lumilipas. Deep shot.
Junmar Fajardo bringing the pain, but he crashes down.
Look at this, Junmar Fajardo way above. Very upset is the Petron bench because they felt he got hit right in the face but brought the pain to the ring.
Ibang klaseng dagdag ang pinakita sa atin doon ni Junmar.
Papalit ang players. Sandali ha. Magta-time ata. Ito yung harutan itong dalawang tuwing. Kanina pa yun.
Nice lob inside to Junmar. Good defense. 3 red shirts. Bothering the 8-time MVP. Junmar. Fajardo. Take a look here. Junmar. First try, no. That's right. Second try. Gets 2 defenders. Still no go. Third try. Still no go. But 4th time as a jump.
The Kraken spins baseline. Up and under. Junmar Fajardo delivers.
Leo finds Williams. Williams looking for the slam. Gets stopped by Junmar.
Napata. Oh! Crossing Junmar. He crossed Junmar over. Nakaingat si Junmar. Because he's a foot taller.
Marching basket. High toss through. Fajardo under the basket. Pull it out. 1 against 3. It didn't matter.
He's a big guy with a big heart. Look at the way Junmar Fajardo battled out.
Pakakita mo, intention na ating ballgame. Junmar Fajardo will finish that one with a big slam. Malaking pagkakatapos. Nawala na yung bola. Nandun pa si Junmar. Sa lampak, pasok ang 2-13 na lang ang kanilang hinahabol dito.
Millsap. Iiwan kay Kraken! And Junmar brings the pain on 1-0. Look at Tubig go. Oh, the Kraken throws.
Displaying his ability.
Junmar between the legs.
He sidestepped it.
Take another look at the Abay step. Junmar getting away from the blur. Paangat pala.
Injury but maybe coach wasn't happy with it. That's a foul there.
Here's Mokola. Iwan kay Fajardo. Junmar with the kontra combo. Nakalusot. Set up Fajardo. You gotta look at that nice little spin with the Euro step from Junmar. Once again, what a beautiful play. Drops it off to Gary. Harvey blocked by Junmar.
Ito, nakakapal pa niya, harapan.
He is clicking, and there he is again, just pulling his way inside. He's just padding his rebounds at the moment, and eventually, no, he goes at it by himself and finishes. Take a look at this. Not the first time, not the second, and a little fake to just shake off a couple of defenders.
Up pass. Back in, up, and in.
They just throw it up top. Go get it, big fella.
80 by 11. Fajardo, great move on Chavas. Now gets going on Felicio. Good D from Felicio, but how did Fajardo get that up?
I'm gonna have to pull the crap for the rest of the day. This is Simpson and the doctor at the turnaround. Castro inside to Fajardo with a beautiful fake.
Their opening game, there's plenty of fight in this.
And you've been saying this all game.
Junmar, not too much time to shoot. To pull the trigger.
Junmar, 4-4. Para-paraan lang, Coach Ro. Junmar with the board. Gets the basket. Lenka Upagpapao.
Hawak na ninyo yung bola no? Pero pumunta pa rin kay Junmar because he's just ready. Junmar sidesteps. I know many of the young ones call it Euro. Sidestep.
Wow! Fake, kagat si Romeo Travis.
Receives it. Nakawala. No, great ball fake by the big guy. Russell, pagod na si Chris Russell. Junmar sidesteps.
Yan na naman. Alahoy. Wala. Look at Fajardo.
Wala ka po bitaw yung
Fajardo naman. Seconds remaining in the third period. Baseline drive. No, Fajardo on the reverse. Too big, too strong, too good. If he can get that, if he can perfect that hook shot that he's making.
Wow, Arizona read.
Go!
Martes get.
Bounces to Junmar on the line. The Euro.
So we could enter the game. Marcel Lassiter is at the scorer's table. Mukhang makikita natin.
That was a second motion. Oh, yeah. That was right there. That was a forearm that was thrown by...
Sana ganun pa rin mangyayari. Sana Junmar Fajardo.
Si Bonsong, bakbakang inaabangan ng buong bayan. Si Junmar lumapit kay Lakay. Nag-appear, sabi ni Lakay, wala tayong pansinan, magkalaban tayo ngayon.
Na Bisayang dako.
Look, hindi siya takpat, hindi masyadong payat. Like some of our big men in the past. Tapos may galaw. You could see he could move. Pero medyo raw pa yung mga skills niya.
Just kind of shocked, you know. Here I am, used to be the biggest guy in the PBA, the heaviest one. And you got this young 22, 23-year-old that's just pushing me around.
Ano yung kapasidad niya. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, mukhang nakaka-challenge to.
Parang limited lang. Tapos, one time nga, pinagtatawanan ako, hindi ko...
contenders. And, you know, just my impression was that, you know...
It's the double team. Fajardo with the offensive rebound.
Sobrang naglat talaga ni Fajardo.
But more than that, he was a tall guy who was not clumsy. Hindi siya payat at hindi siya...
Nabuo sa Ilocanong MVP at ang proud...
Share yung nalalaman. Sana hanggat makuha mo lahat ng mga award.